Hello little bees, it's me again, Busy Mommy Princess, and today we will learn some awesome CVC words that ends with a, b, ab, a, b, ab. Say it with me, a, b, ab. Good job. Okay, let's begin. D, ab, dab. D, ab, dab. G, ab, gab. G, ab, gab. J, ab, jab. J, ab, jab. L, ab, lab. Ab, lab. Ab, nab. Ab, nab. Ab, tab. Ab, tab. Tab. Dab. Gab. Jab. Lab, nab, tab. Now, let's say all the words together. Cab, dab, gab, jab, lab, nab. Now, it's your turn. Wow, good job! You read it very well. That's all for today. See you again next time. Bye. See ya.